So guys, I will show you a couple of different ways the way you can fix the Siri AI stuck on join waitlist and hopefully how you can get off the waitlist and start using it as soon as possible. Now, as you can see, what you will get on the brand new Siri here is you will get joined waiting list right there. And the reason for this is because it is not fully released in every country at the moment, right? So essentially what we can do to try and fix this is just go ahead and first of all, force restart our device. So to do this, you need to go ahead and hit volume up, volume down, and hold the lock button. So it would look something like this: volume up, volume down, lock button. And you just want to hold this until you see the Apple logo. Now that is number one. And if that doesn't work, essentially what we might need to do is just simply wait out for it to go ahead and just give us access because it might not be fully released yet in the country that you live in. So if you are from America, if you're from the UK, if you're from, other countries around the world, it will be released in obviously periodic time over a certain amount of time, right? So if it is released in the US now, it may be released in the UK in a couple of weeks, and so on and so forth. And they're rolling it out over a certain amount of time, right? So all you need to do is you need to wait for this to obviously be granted access by Apple, and that's pretty much the only way that we can do this. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.